storms and whatnot, but the question is here, Kristen, is it going to lead some damage at any point?
Well, the biggest threat we have from these storms today and tomorrow, Lindsay, would be the potential for some damaging winds, but also possibly some flooding, most likely later tonight or tomorrow, depending on how often the same storms will fall over the same areas. So what they call training, and that's a potential today. We're already getting a little bit of activity in the severe department out over into central and east central Ohio. You see that one severe thunderstorm warning just to the west of Cambridge, Ohio. Locally, we're still in sort of a watch and wait pattern for about the next hour or so. It's hot, it's humid, and we have a cold front approaching. So when those two air masses collide, that's just some of the ingredients. There's plenty of moisture available. The ingredients are there for possibly some strong to severe storms today. A couple of little cells, already tiny cells bubbling up just to the south of Katanning. And then we have a little bit of convection just starting to bubble up just over the border, the Pennsylvania-West Virginia border, the very northern tip of the northern panhandle there. So this will push in from really the Martins Ferry area and up around Steubenville, Weirton, push over into western Washington County over about the next 20 minutes. But bigger threat later this afternoon as the front approaches is the threat for damaging winds and possible flooding. So the Storm Prediction Center has all of southwestern Pennsylvania pretty much in the slight risk category for wind damage and possibly the flooding. The chance for flooding would be later tonight and through the day tomorrow, when we're expected to get up to about 3/4 of an inch of rain on top of what we get today. So 83 right now with just partly cloudy skies. Dew points are high, relative humidity is high, the temperature's high. We're up to 87 already in Waynesburg, 86 in Beaver Falls, mainly 80s around the area. Connellsville, Somerset still in the upper 70s. But as those storms start to fire throughout the next couple of hours, that will most likely prevent most of us from hitting 90 degrees for what would be a third day in a row. So it looks like mid to upper 80s before these storms start to fire. Here's the cold front. It's up over northwestern, north central Ohio. Ahead of this, we're starting to get this convection firing. This is the first of two fronts. This will pass tonight, and then the second cold front arrives tomorrow. That is really going to drop our temperatures back to more normal levels. So here's Futurecast. Chance of these storms bubbling up really between around 2 and 7 p.m. And there you see by 7-8 p.m. round one's over. Another round of rain tonight, and then here comes the second front. Tomorrow morning, it'll be a wet go of it all morning. More rain than severe weather tomorrow, but we have to watch for the potential for flooding. And then after that, boy, things clear out for a nice holiday weekend. So 85 today, showers, possibly some strong storms. 70s for Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Independence Day looks beautiful, sunny, and 83.